Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that in 2026 how you can download a source code from your website very easily. So a lot of people ask me to make this video that how you can download the source code of any websites. So I have a website called this one Pixel's website. So if I reload this page, as you can see, this website is very good, and I'm gonna download this website source code. So this whole website, so as you can see, this is the website. So for downloading the source code of this website, so first of all um, I need to download extension from my Google Chrome profile. So I have already downloaded this extension, and the extension name is Save All Resources. So I have already installed this extension, so I will give you the link in the description from this video. So now we are going to download the source code. So for downloading the source code, I click the right button of this page, view page source. Click on inspect. Click on inspect. So this is the inspect. So then click on this button, more tabs, then click on this resources saver. So as you can see, this is the resources saver page. Now just check this option as well, include and Vue.js, HTML, CSS. Then waiting for reload. So now click on save all resources. So the downloading has been started, as you can see. So the download has been done. So now I'm going to open this file. There is a zip file has been downloaded, as you can see. So this is the file. So now I'm going to unzip this file, extract all, then extract. So this is the file. So this is the main file, themeswagon.github.io. Then click on pixels. Then these are the assets: script.js, output, index.html, and these are the assets as well. So in the assets folder, you are seeing the fav icon, some images, some footer logo shape icon, thumb icon, zap icon. So this is the pixels and this is the index file. So if I open this index.html, double click on this index, as you can see, this is from my local server. So that source code has been downloaded successfully here, as you can see. So very easy. So this is how you can download the all source code from any website. So I hope you understand this, and please don't use this for piracy any website. This is for learning process, nothing else. So thanks for watching.